Hey folks, so this is our second video and we're in process of drying out the La Paz pebbles that we're making our permeable pathway with. So here's the thing, whenever you buy pebbles, typically they either come in bags like this or you get them you know, by the truckload. But in this case, we didn't need a whole lot, so we bought them in the bags. Well, they always come dusty, and if you've ever tried to have a piece of tape stick on a wet table, doesn't happen. It doesn't stick. So what we do is we went ahead and we washed all this gravel off, got all the dust out, but now because the sun's not out, we're actually having to we have a this is dry here. This is just washed off, and so we have a hair dryer here that's actually drying the gravel. So we have a formula. You just follow the directions on the EcoFlow. That's the product we're using. It's like the super glue, and there's a formula on the back there. You mix so much with the rocks, and then you screed it on. We'll go over here. There used to be steps here, and they got broken up by the tree roots. Olive trees have massive tree roots. So we're creating instead a permeable, no VOC. It's like super glue with rocks. This is super permeable. You can see how it just screeds on, and it will make a super permeable pathway that rainwater can go through, and yet if you have high heels on, no big deal. It's like walking on concrete. So, but we put a base underneath, which is pea gravel. We compacted it down. We put the border down, and we're going to figure out tomorrow what we're going to do for border, just to make it look a little nicer here. Did leave the olive tree and the rosemary because the homeowner is extremely water conscious. So now we're trying to just dry this remaining gravel up. So yeah. Anyway, but I hope you enjoyed this video. May do one more video on this, but how to make a permeable pathway. Great for if there's a wheelchair, they have access now instead of steps. So that's how it goes. Thanks for watching. Take care.